In the heart of Asakusa, Tokyo, where tradition meets craftsmanship, a new Japanese watch brand is quietly redefining what accessible elegance really means. Meet Kiwame Tokyo, founded by industry veteran Masami Watanabe, a man with one mission: to deliver honest watchmaking. No hidden costs, no artificial luxury, just pure Japanese precision and timeless design. The brand debuts with two models, Kurotsuki, meaning black moon, and Usuki, or light yellow. Each one is inspired by the graceful simplicity of 1940s Calatrava-style dress watches, but with a subtle Japanese twist. Look closer, and you'll see the attention to detail. The three-part case construction, vertically brushed bezel, and stylized breguet numerals that shimmer under light. At just 38 millimeters wide and 9.5 thick, it's a perfect modern classic. Elegant, compact, and even 100 meters water-resistant. Inside beats the reliable Miyota 9039 automatic movement, known for its precision, durability, and hand-winding capability. No date window, no clutter, just pure timekeeping simplicity, running at 4 Hz with a 42-hour power reserve. The Kurotsuki pairs its deep, glossy dial with polished hands and brushed numerals, while the Usuki shines with an ivory tone and blued steel seconds hand, both finished with classic leather straps for timeless appeal. Priced at just $650, these watches capture the essence of Japanese integrity and design. The first batch of 99 pieces sold out instantly, but Kiwame Tokyo promises more this November.